everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another weekly vlog out of all the vlogs that I have done. Of course, I had to vlog this week because as I speak right now, we're sitting at somewhere 9,98,000 subscribers, something on those lines. So we're about to hit a million any day. I don't think aaj, probably tomorrow, but I thought that it was the perfect time to start the vlog. There is quite a bit happening this week. You'll see as the vlog unfolds. It's going to be a very, very exciting vlog. Let's just say that. We'll talk about the 1 million bit jab hoga. Right now, we're gonna go set up the Christmas tree because I want to. I haven't done it since 2 years. And it's also my parents' anniversary. And instead of going out for dinner, I feel like bahar jaake dinner karna is kind of boring. So I thought that let's do it ghar pe so that we can play board games. We can actually talk to each other. So we're gonna order food in. I'm hosting the dinner. Aditya and I are gonna host the dinner. So just to make the vibe, we're gonna set up the Christmas tree, decorate the house just a little bit, and yeah, get it ready for everyone.
हेलो वेलकम आ जाओ
We feel so special.
अरे आज स्पेशल डे है
आते ही पूछा सेलिब्रिटीज कहाँ पे है
अरे आप आ गए हो ना?
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी
Thank you बेटा, thank you.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी
Thank you.
Hi. कितना मस्त बुके है.
हाथ से इधर से.
क्या है
अच्छा मैं जीत गया.
वाह वाह वाह
कुछ भी नहीं.
वही तो जीते
Guys, if you want these cute cards, you have to go on
www.simbalifestyle.com and get the 2026 planner.
link down below. So I've just escaped everything and I've come here just to talk to you guys because this was not a part of the plan. मुझे लगा था कि मेरा 500 के कल होगा. आज was just supposed to be like a get together with the family to celebrate my mom and dad's anniversary. But somehow my subscribers are एकदम फास्ट बढ़ रहे हैं. So everyone just decided to stay back and my friends have also come भाग के to celebrate, which is so sweet. It's literally 12:30 रात को and I don't know but I've been dreaming of this moment even before I started my YouTube channel. So right now I don't know.
Yes, Mary, 10 more to go.
9 more to go. शायद मैं मेरी शादी पे नहीं रोई पर इसके लिए रोऊंगी मैं.
Yes, that's right, girlie.
Hello guys, it is the next morning. Yesterday night was really something. I've been waiting for this moment for years and years and years, and it finally happened. And I got to experience it with everyone that I love, everyone who couldn't be there physically who were there on video call. So it was so beautiful. मतलब मैं रोई भी. I think you guys already saw that, and I haven't cried for like big emotions since a few years. Like I cry on छोटी छोटी चीजें, but जब बड़ी चीजें होती है I usually get very numb to the experience. But मुझे रोना आ गया, मुझे expectation नहीं थी, and it was like a very sweet moment obviously. So that happened last night. I was so excited. As I said yesterday also, we were not expecting for it to happen today. I swear we were expecting for it to happen towards the end of the year, when we come back from our trip, which we'll talk about in just a bit. But basically today I decided कि I'm gonna firstly go of course to the मंदिर. So वो मैं कर रही हूँ, and अभी आदित्य actually warehouse पे है. Warehouse पे नहीं है, sorry, printing press पे, जहाँ पे हमारे सारे planners assemble हो रहे हैं, सारे cards cut हो रहे हैं, सब कुछ basically बन रहा है. I'll actually roll a few clips of the Simba lifestyle planner in the making. So yeah, Aditya had to attend to really important things today while I get to just like take a step back and soak everything in, thanks to him. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually take the girls out, my team, and we're gonna go just chill. Honestly, there's no plan. We're gonna do something nice and big, अच्छे से plan करके. But today बनता है थोड़ा सा chill करना, relax करना, time pass करेंगे हम लोग थोड़ा. क्या करने वाले हैं वो नहीं पता, but कुछ तो करेंगे.
So sweet, thank you.
Hello, good morning. Today is the day of the 1 million shoot. I might not look excited, but trust and believe that I am excited. As you know, I got my periods, and मेरा periods एकदम time देख के आता है. जब भी सबसे important जो चीज़ होती है, of course वो date पे उसको आना होता है. I've made peace with it, honestly. I have started looking at my periods this year onwards as a positive thing, because the more I build it up in my head as a negative thing, it causes me more pain. So yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna get ready for the day. As we speak right now, the girls are doing such a good job at putting the backdrop together, because for me to just get ready and function for the day is a lot. So everyone's just so nice to like really like go in and like help me out with everything. Anyway, they do that, but today even more so. It's a big shoot day today, so I'm using all of my favorite products. मैं सारे products tag कर दूंगी नीचे. So if you guys don't know, I've spoken about this quite a bit. This year I finally got diagnosed for endometriosis. मैं screen पे pop up कर दूंगी क्या exactly होता है endometriosis if you are not aware of it. But I really want to learn about it even more and talk about it even more, because it's not something that is spoken about enough. I feel like I was just like reading so many articles and watching a lot of videos, and I got to know that most endometriosis के diagnosis take up to a decade. मुझे खुद को 14 साल लग गए to get my diagnosis for endometriosis, and it's actually an extremely painful condition which again isn't talked about enough. If you are someone who has excruciating pain during periods, of course thoda pain to sabko hota hi hai, but if you feel like it's unbearable and you have nausea, you can't keep anything down, you're constantly throwing up, you have loose motions, you feel like you're gonna faint, so many different symptoms. it's not normal. And for years and years and years, I have been told by so many gynacs to basically just suck it up and eat your painkillers, and that's it. There's nothing that you can do about it. मुझे मेरी diagnosis by fluke मिली है, by the way. For some reason, it's just not taken very seriously. Next year in 2026, I really want to figure out a way to cure this, even though from what I have understood right now, there's no actual cure for this. Surgery is obviously one option, but I feel like there has to be a holistic way to feel better, because I've already lived how many years? I got my periods when I was 14. So I've already lived. Okay, my math is not good, but hi, it's been 14 years since I have lived in this pain every single month, and it really hampers the functioning of my life. Like, it's not normal. And I've been made to believe for the longest time that it's normal, and I just need to have a better pain tolerance. Even though I have a great pain tolerance, I just need to suck it up. I'm not gonna suck it up. I'm gonna find a solution. I'm gonna keep looking till I find one. Anyway, on a lighter note, I'm just gonna get ready now, and I have my heating pad on. Can you see it? Yeah, I have my heating pad on, so I'm feeling good. मैंने मेरा painkiller भी खा लिया है, because it's gonna be a long shoot day. Let's get started. Okay, so my makeup is done, and I think it turned out so nice. मैंने इतने आराम से मेरा makeup किया है. And today, by the way, I used the 8 brush set from Simba Lifestyle. It's so inexpensive. It's literally for 799 rupees, 100 rupees per brush. We've been selling these brushes for so many years now, and I've obviously been using the same set for years, and all of these have really survived the test of time. If you buy this set, it's gonna last you for years and years and years. It's a one-time investment. Link's gonna be down below. Madhura is obsessed with moisturizing and
Your body
मुझे reminders मिलते हैं from time to time to moisturize my body.
Lovely.
And today, on her demand, we are also adding highlighter all over my body. Hello, I am back home. It is almost 1 o'clock right now. 10 मिनट है 1 o'clock को. Technically आज मेरा periods का day 1 था. मुझे कल रात को आए periods, so I'm just gonna count today as my first day. And what a day today has been. Oh my god, इतना सारा मैंने shoot किया. So basically आज शाम को एक Charlotte Tilbury का event था, to which I decided not to go because मुझे पेट में इतना दर्द हो रहा था in the afternoon, right after we took the pictures for the 1 million photo shoot, which by the way turned out so cute. I'm really happy. And also, life has a way of just making everything right for you, in the sense कि सुबह Sakshi, who is my photographer, videographer, she's a freelancer, but we work together quite often. She couldn't make it because of a personal emergency, very last minute. So I was a little bit scared कि ये photo shoot करना बहुत important है ये time पे, because मैंने 17th के लिए schedule किया था ये photo shoot, सोच के कि मैं बहुत early photo shoot करने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna have all my pictures ready, but as you guys saw कि 1 million बहुत ही पहले हो गया, before I expected it. So I was like, I need to do my photo shoot today anyhow, and she couldn't make it obviously. And guess who took my pictures today? Aditya. Full circle moment था ये 1 million के pictures I think उसके ही नाम थे लिखना because if you guys don't know, if you're new, Aditya helped me shoot my very first video. He's helped me take so many pictures of my blog posts that I used to write before, and of course he's been such a big part of this journey. So it just made sense for him to take the pictures, and of course he killed it. So anyway, मैं इवेंट पे मुझे एक्चुअली बहुत मन था जाने का बिकॉज इट वॉज अ शार्लेट टिलबरी इवेंट. यू गाइज नो हाउ मच आई लव दैट ब्रांड, बट आई डिसाइडेड नॉट टू गो बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग वेल इन द आफ्टरनून. बट देन आई पॉप्ड वन मोर पेन किलर इन द आफ्टरनून बिकॉज हमने दूसरे वीडियोग्राफर को बुला लिया था शूट करने के लिए. नॉट द पिक्चर्स बट मुझे रील्स और बाकी कुछ ब्रांडेड कॉन्टेंट शूट करना था विच हैड अ डेडलाइन. सो हमें लास्ट मिनट एक दूसरा वीडियोग्राफर मिला हु हैड कम and it was not right for me to make them wait. Like I just feel it's so unprofessional. वो आए all the way यहाँ पर, so obviously I had to like get myself together, right? So I popped another painkiller. And उसके बाद जो मैंने शूट किया है, रात के 1 बजे तक शूट किया, हमने इतना सारा कंटेंट शूट कर लिया. अब मैं इतने चैन की नींद सोने वाली हूँ. What a fulfilling day it was. Now tomorrow I am actually leaving on a trip. I had briefly mentioned आज कि मैं travel कर रही हूँ. So now this trip is not my 1 million trip. This is our annual family vacation that we're going on, which has been in the works for quite a while. Obviously just the dates aligned, that it feels like a celebration almost, that we're going with our family to celebrate 1 million. Of course we'll celebrate that also, but that was not the initial intent of this trip. ऑल्सो आई नो मैंने सुबह भी यही नाइट ड्रेस पहना था ब्लॉग शुरू करते वक्त. मैं एंड भी इसमें करी पर मैंने सुबह नहा के ये पहना था, सो इट्स लाइक फ्रेश. आई वोर इट बेयरली फॉर लाइक एन आवर और सो आई एम गोना स्लीप इन दिस. और क्या कैचअप करना है? ओ कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम? यस, वी आर गोइंग टू द फिलीपींस इन दिसंबर. जो मुझे थोड़ा सा ऑड लग रहा है वो सोच के, मतलब दिसंबर इज लाइक सच अ क्रिसमसी टाइम. सो बट हमने ये सोचा नहीं, लाइक वी डिडंट रियली थिंक दिस थ्रू. Last year also in December we had gone to Egypt for our family trip, which was a very hectic family trip because there were a lot of things to do in Egypt. A lot of sightseeing. So हमने आदित्य को इस बार बहुत ही एक clear instruction दिया था that please make it very very chill. We don't want to do much, which is why we're going to the Philippines. I've never ever been. It's going to be a new country for me, and honestly my intention is to really do nothing. व्लॉग हम करेंगे बट हम रुद्रनादित्य पे डालेंगे वो व्लॉग. सो इट्स गोना बी लाइक अ वेरी रॉ रियल व्लॉग. जब मैं व्लॉग करती हूँ ये पेज के लिए, it's a very well thought out vlog in the sense that I'm always thinking कि मैं कौन से एंगल से शूट करूँ, how can I make this more creative, I need to have a lot of information in this vlog. On रुद्रनादित्य it's more डेली व्लॉगिंग स्टाइल, मतलब जो हो रहा है वो हम वो बताएंगे. इट्स नॉट वेरी प्लान्ड पर से, इट्स गोना बी वेरी चिल. सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट आई गॉट मोस्ट ऑफ माई वर्क डन टुडे. कल भी मुझे है थोड़ा सा शूट करना बाकी है, बट वो सब मेरा खुद का ऑर्गेनिक कॉन्टेंट है, तो मतलब मुझे ज्यादा उसका स्ट्रेस नहीं है बिकॉज आई गेट टू डिसाइड हाउ आई वॉन्ट इट टू बी, यू नो. सो इट्स गोना बी चिल. बट अब मैं मस्त सोने वाली हूँ, आराम से कल उठूंगी. या दैट वॉज द डे. आई थिंक आई हैव समराइज्ड बेसिकली द होल डे. See you tomorrow. Hello and welcome from the Philippines. I know this vlog took a very random turn, but I had mentioned to you guys how we are going to go on a family vacation, and we actually started this tradition last year in December when we went to Egypt. Dono vlogs are live on Rudranaaditya in case you want to check it out. I'll link them down below. But basically last year हमें पता चला कि when you take a trip where you're not doing much, it almost resets you, it relaxes you of sorts. Because for us when we
take trips, it's amazing, obviously, but we're working when we're on these vacations. So it's important for us to take at least one vacation where we're not doing that much. Like ये trip पे हम vlog कर रहे हैं. हम एज इन आदित्य मेनली व्लॉग कर रहा है फ्रॉम आदित्य. मेरे पास कोई फोटोज़ नहीं है, मेरे पास स्टोरीज़ नहीं है इंस्टाग्राम पे डालने के लिए, एंड इट फील्स गुड. लाइक आई फील फाइन अबाउट नॉट doing one trip where there's content. I think it's great. But anyway, today what we're doing is we're going to be making a vision board. You guys know that I make a vision board every single year with you guys, and I have wanted to make a vision board sitting on a beach for the longest time. I have been in the pool for an hour just chilling, and now I'm sitting in the sun, and I feel like this is the perfect moment for me to make my vision board. So come along, let's make it together. Hello and welcome to day 2 of me trying to make my vision board. Yesterday it was so windy that हम बैठ भी नहीं पा रहे थे. vision board बनाना तो दूर की बात था. I think the universe wanted me to match my planner. Aren't we like perfectly matching? In case you didn't know, I always make my vision board in our planner. This is the Simba Lifestyles 2026 planner. एकदम detail में flip through मैंने already कर चुका है. I've spoken about every single page that is in here along with all the freebies that it comes for. Today we're going to be purely talking about my 2026 vision board. It has been so many years since I've been making a vision board with you guys. It's insane, and I think vision boards totally work. I 100% recommend you to make one in case you haven't been making one. You can make a digital one also if you feel like printing out images and sticking it on a paper is too much work. But I feel like the process of making a vision board is very satisfying and it's very intentional. Like when you're sticking every single piece of picture onto a canvas or a planner or whatever, however you want to make it, I feel like there's a lot of intention that goes into it. Pen to paper जब आप journal करते हो ज़्यादा intention उसमें transfer होता है. At least that's what I believe in. Anyway, to each their own. Let's get started with making my vision board. And yes, I did carry my planner, all the printouts, Fevicol, scissors घर से, just so that I could make it on a beach. And this has been a dream of mine for a long time, and I'm so happy that I get to sit here under the sky. Exactly मैं beach पे नहीं हूँ, मैं beach से 10 feet दूर हूँ, but that's fine. Okay, so at this point I have made my entire vision board, but I'm gonna break it down for you guys picture by picture what every single image means to me. Starting off with the first image. Honestly, this picture has no real meaning other than the fact that I really was gravitated towards this image, and it just feels very calm. It feels like the girl is at peace, and it's a tropical environment, which I love. So मैंने वो add कर दिया. I would recommend that have a lot of intention and thought behind every picture that you add. And I will say that आप ये first time vision board बना रहे हो तो बहुत स्पेसिफिक फ़ोटोज़ ढूंढो. लाइक जेनेरिक फ़ोटोज़ मत चिपकाओ, एकदम स्पेसिफिक फ़ोटोज़ ऐड करो ताकि आप एकदम एक्यूरेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन डाल रहे हो आपके विजन बोर्ड के अंदर. द नेक्स्ट फोटो बेसिकली सिम्बलाइजेज मी एंड आदित्य ट्रैवलिंग स्पेसिफिकली टू लाइक ट्रॉपिकल डेस्टिनेशंस. क्लियरली I love tropical destinations. I love the beach. I'm a water baby. So I want to do more of that every year, honestly. It's going to be a constant in every single vision board of mine. फिर मैंने एकदम ही contrast वाला image डाला है. A girl in like snow-clad mountains. I have seen snow before, but it's been a couple of years, I believe, since I've experienced it. Oh yeah, we did go to Manali, that is true. But I would like to experience the snow every year, let's just say that. The next image basically signifies two-in-one things, like a family vacation, but also like a vacation with my friends, whom I do consider my family. So as I said, it's like a two-in-one. I want to be able to do at least one trip with my friends and family. No destination, कुछ भी ऐसा दिमाग में नहीं है specific, even though that's kind of contradicting what I just said, कि बहुत specific हो, but इसमें बहुत सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व है तो आई कैन नॉट टेक द डिसीजन अलोन. एंड आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी ऑनेस्टली टू गो एनीवेयर विद माई फ्रेंड्स. इट डजंट मैटर. फिर ये इमेज बेसिकली अगेन सिग्निफाइज जस्ट ट्रैवल इन जनरल. वी डिड टेक काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ बैक सीट दिस ईयर in terms of travel, even though we've traveled quite a lot this year. I'm very grateful for that, but as compared to the previous years where we were like full on traveling, this year was slower relatively. So I want to do a little bit more than last year, not probably as much as the previous years because that was just crazy. I have a lot of new priorities for this year, so I want to like thoda sa slow down, but I still want to like continue traveling. And मैंने ये business class की seat का photo डाला है because why not? I was very lucky to travel business class quite a few times this year, and I want to continue to do it next year as well. Okay, so ये है Taj Palace का photo in Mumbai. So what this photo signifies for me is basically I want to see my city more. I want to explore my city more. When I'm in Mumbai, I'm usually just at home at the studio. I don't usually step out. There are like a few very specific places that I go to, and that's it. I want to explore my own city even more. So, ये वाला photo gives you baking vibes immediately. And yes, I do want to bake more. I did add baking ka photo last year also in my vision board if I'm not wrong, and I did accomplish like a lot of baking last year. But what this photo specifically means to me is making more food, healthy food myself rather than eating processed foods. So like learning new recipes, stuff like that. Next photo I am not going to talk about. It's a very personal photo to me. I don't want to explain it. If you can make sense of it, go for it. Okay, this year I am very heavy on the quotes. मुझे बहुत सारे words डालने थे, बहुत सारे just keywords डालने थे basically. I don't know why. मुझे मन था और मुझे बहुत सारे words डालने थे. So मैंने healthy body, healthy mind, healthy soul डाला है. Quite explanatory. बाथटब का फोटो मैं every single year डालती हूँ. If you know, you know. जब तक मुझे बाथटब नहीं मिलेगा मेरे लाइफ में, मैं मेरे विजन बोर्ड में ऐड करने वाली हूँ बाथटब का फोटो. क्या लगता है आदित्य, ये साल होगा क्या बाथटब? Hopefully. I have a feeling that this is the year. Okay, the next photo is just a girl with a bunch of like pink roses. They look like Bulgarian roses to me. I could be wrong, but that's the flower of the year for me. This year I've introduced something new in my vision board, and I want to do it for the next few years. Flower of the year. I don't know why. It's just screaming to me like pink big flowers. I'm into it. Aditya is saying he's listening and taking notes. Okay, next photo is a girl with like a pink surfboard. Love that vibe. ये साल मैं सीखूंगी कैसे सर्फ करना है. मैंने पहले भी बहुत आई थिंक एक दो बार तो डाला है सर्फिंग करने का मेरे विजन बोर्ड पे. नहीं हो पाया ऑनेस्टली, बट आई थिंक आई एम गोना ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू लाइक मेक इट हैपन दिस ईयर. ओके, देन वी हैव दीज पिंक ग्लव्स, किक बॉक्सिंग वाले ग्लव्स, बॉक्सिंग वाले ग्लव्स. लास्ट ईयर मैंने किक बॉक्सिंग स्टार्ट किया विद आस्क नेचुरल. ये साल आई रियली वांट टू लाइक go in deep and like really do it properly. Just health in general, right? I feel like it's a fun way to like work out. Gym bhi jana hai obviously, but this is going to be like a fun activity that I can do along with going to the gym. The next few images are very personal to me, which is why they're so like big in size as compared to everything else, because that is the most important for me in 2026. I have gotten closer and closer to my religious side every single year, and I feel like 2026 is where it's gonna peak and get better and bigger every single year. But I wanna dive deep, I wanna learn more, and I wanna visit all of these Jyotirlings. होपफुली मुझे गोल्डन टेम्पल भी विजिट करने का बहुत मन है. जस्ट मुझे कॉलिंग आ रही है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, आई कांट एक्सप्लेन इट. इसके लिए मैंने फेथ ओवर फियर भी डाला है, बिकॉज there have been certain things in my life that I have been very fearful of. For the most part, I feel like I'm very fearless, but there are certain things that I have been very fearful of. Would you agree? Just certain things, like 1-2 things, and I'm like letting it go this year, and I'm just giving it up to faith. And I know it's gonna work out for me. I just know it. A big one, another big one that I've added is 1 million ka play button. At this point, we have hit 1 million subscribers. I know that on my channel, but I want 1 million ka plaque for Mridana as well. We have been working really hard for the past few years. Like हमने, I think last year we did such a fab job at posting a short every single day. Obviously there have been days where we've missed uploading a short. It's not like हमने 365 days shorts upload किए, but हमने बहुत सारे shorts upload किए, बहुत सारे long form videos upload किए, बहुत सारे creative videos भी upload किए, and I'm happy, which is not usually what I'll say about my own work. I'm one to find flaws always in what I do personally. So yeah, I know that we can do it next year if we work as hard as we worked this year. So next photo is basically like a team together, right? So sure, I am looking at expanding my team for sure, but I want to attract people in my life who I know are going to be super skilled and are going to help me take things to the next level. So it's not about the quantity, it's not about the size of the team, but it's about the quality of the people. And I know there are going to be amazing people coming in my life this year who are going to help me grow, and we're going to all grow together. The next photo looks like just a girl reading on the beach, right? But sure, I want to do that. But डीपर मीनिंग इसके पीछे ये है कि मुझे मेरे स्किल्स अपग्रेड करना है, मुझे और सीखना है, मुझे लर्न करना है चीज़ें अबाउट व्हाट आई ऑलरेडी डू, बट लाइक मोर थिंग्स इन जनरल. आई रियली वांट टू गेट एफिशिएंट एट व्हाट आई डू. दैट्स अ बिग थिंग फॉर मी, एफिशिएंसी. एक और नई चीज़ मैंने की है ये साल, इस मैंने कलर ऑफ द ईयर फॉर माई सेल्फ ऐड किया है. जैसे हर साल एक कलर ऑफ द ईयर होता है, मैंने खुद के लिए भी एक कलर ऑफ द ईयर किया है. एक नहीं, एक्चुअली 2 किए हैं. दीज आर द 2 ones. जस्ट वाइब है, मूड है, मुझे अट्रैक्शन है ये कलर्स से. है थोड़ा सा डीपर मीनिंग, नेक्स्ट ईयर आपको पता चलेगा. बाय द वे, हमारे प्लानर के साथ 10 फ्री स्टिकर शीट्स भी आती है, तो मैंने वो स्टिकर शीट्स को भी यूज़ किया है इन ऑर्डर टू लाइक डेकोरेट द प्लानर एंड जस्ट टू लाइक ब्यूटिफाई इट अ लिटिल बिट, राइट. एंड बस दैट्स इट टू माई विजन बोर्ड. मैंने पूरा विजन बोर्ड नहीं दिखाया आपको, बट आई वुड से 85% जितना तो दिखाया है. 15% इज़ जस्ट फॉर माई सेल्फ. Maybe end of the year when we are able to achieve it, I could potentially do like a breakdown of the entire vision board, possibly. And guys, just like that, I am all done. This was literally my view while making my vision board. It's everything that I asked for, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my vision board for 2026.
Hello and welcome to 2026. I am back from the Philippines with a beautiful tan, as you can see, and none of my body parts match each other. That's fine. We have spent the new year very low key with our friends. I don't even have a picture from that night. I did not want to go clubbing at all. So we sat in like a local restaurant and that was that. We had yummy food. मैंने sugar खाया one last time. मैं try कर रही हूँ कि मैं January में sugar ना खाऊं. Let's see how that goes. But what I really wanted to do with you guys was to fill out this right here. So हमारे planner में every single month एक नया activity है, and I want to actually make it a habit this year onwards to do these activities every single month with you guys, and we're going to be calling this the Simba's check-in circle. So we're going to keep each other accountable. We're going to be filling out these activities because हमने इतनी मेहनत की है activities पे, and I feel like it can actually be of so much use to all of us collectively if we were to fill these out. Let's talk about January की activity. It's called the Reset Brew. So ये month is very prompt heavy क्योंकि हमने थोड़ा balance रखा है where you don't have to do too much of the thinking. You just follow the prompts and you go along with that. So it's January. The artwork for the month is this beautiful cup of espresso, which I am not drinking. Coffee is another thing that I'm like trying to cut as much as possible. So this month we're focusing on clarity, discipline, and new beginnings. Okay, so the activity for this month is called the Reset Brew and it's very prompt heavy. हमें चाहिए था कि ज़्यादा दिमाग आपको नहीं लगाना पड़े. So बहुत सारे prompts दिए हैं इसमें. So the first category is digital reset. Unfollow 5 accounts that don't inspire you anymore. So I'm not unfollowing people because I anyway don't follow people whom I don't want to follow. So I'm like unfollowing like random meme pages and things that don't just make sense to me anymore. मैंने literally ये जब मैंने मेरा Instagram खोला था 10 साल पहले कि ज़्यादा हो गया, इतने साल पहले Instagram था भी नहीं. Basically जब भी Instagram आया था मैंने तब भी Instagram join किया था, तो बहुत साल पहले से मैं लोगों को follow करती हूँ. It's time to unfollow people. 5 accounts तो मैंने कर दिए unfollow, but now I can't stop. Like I need to like just go through the whole list and remove everything that I don't want. I'm finally done. I think मेरे कुछ 778 लोगों को मैं follow करती थी. अभी I'm sitting at 743. So मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही pages को clear कर दिया है. Okay, delete 100 photos you'll never post. I like to honestly not delete anything, but I do have a bunch of like random screenshots and just things that don't make sense. So let's delete. Honestly, my gallery is such a mess. I am just so tempted to like transfer all of this footage somewhere and then have a clear gallery and be able to like organize everything. I know it's never gonna happen and it's not an ideal thing to do, but I can dream. Digital reset ka last thing is to replace your wallpaper. So this is what mine looks like. I love how it looks. And it has those like pink roses, which I don't know, are just like attracting me for some reason. Anyway, physical reset mein hai to curate a capsule shelf. It can be any surface like your desk, your vanity. Basically, we're gonna restyle it to just refresh it. This is not my desk. This is Aditya's desk, which I have captured, but I'm not gonna reset it because it's his space. But bahar ka desk area is very cluttered. So let's clear that out. And in order to kind of refresh it, I'm of course gonna be using our wall calendars from Simba Lifestyle, which is a freebie that comes along with the planner. I think it looks so nice. And I'm also going to be adding some fresh pink roses on the desk. Mind reset mein text someone you haven't spoken to in 6 months. Haven't spoken to in 6 months. I think this year I've been pretty good about like texting people, replying to people fairly on a decent timeline. Okay, let me see. 6 months जितना तो नहीं है, but है मेरे दिमाग में है एक दो जन को जिनको I can text. Just like a cute check-in. Done texting. So mind reset में एक और चीज मैं आपके साथ करूंगी. Actually मैं कर चुकी हूँ. Is to do a 2-hour silence challenge. No talking, no typing, no background noise. Just let me read that again. No talking, no typing, no background noise. Just observe your thoughts. So, since the last 3 days, since the 1st of January, I have been coming to the studio at 9 o'clock in the morning and just sitting by myself. So everyone comes in at 11. So 2 hours I have all to myself, and it's been amazing in the sense that I'm someone who gets overstimulated very easily, and I'm always surrounded by people all the time. Ghar pe I'm always with Aditya. Yahan pe bhi Aditya is actually in a different room always. It's not like we're together, but we're always surrounded by people. We're constantly talking to people. So having these 2 hours, actually even just 1 hour would be great in the long run. But yeah, that 1 to 2 hours is amazing. What I have been doing is I have been, of course, making my to-do list. Then I have been writing in my journal. Dear Diary wala मैं moment करती हूँ, and the amount of clarity that I feel just writing down my thoughts. And one more thing that I have been doing since the last 3 days, हनुमान चालीसा मैं लिख रही हूँ और मैं recite भी कर रही हूँ. So yeah, it's been amazing. So the person whom I just texted has called me, so I'm gonna take the call. Okay, I'm back from the call. That was actually so nice. I would have never called them and like spoken to them. मस्त 15 मिनट हमने बात की. So I feel like this activity was quite successful for me. इसमें last में एक debrief है. यहाँ पे 2 questions है which I'm gonna fill out and I'm gonna write more stuff down. मैंने already सुबह journaling की है, but मुझे journaling इतनी पसंद है and मेरे दिमाग में इतने thoughts होते हैं that it's always nice to like just pen it down and like be able to compartmentalize everything. And yeah, the kind of clarity that you get after writing, it's unbeatable. I already spoke about that. So I'm gonna fill this out. I almost forgot to tell you guys that our planner right now is available for 999 rupees along with all of its freebies, and the combos are also at a great sale. बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट चल रहा है. लिंक मैं नीचे छोड़ दूंगी, बट बहुत कम स्टॉक बचा है. जेन्युइनली बहुत कम स्टॉक बचा है. So grab it while you can. And that's basically it for this month's Simba's check-in circle. Please make sure to comment down below how your activity went, because I want this to be like a community thing where we keep each other accountable, we check in with each other, and there are lots of conversations happening in the comments, which I will also be a part of because I love like replying to your comments. So yeah, see you in the comments. Hello, it's been a few days. The reason why I'm stretching this vlog so long is because of 2 reasons. The first one is that I am gonna go get a tattoo. I really wanted to get a tattoo, and obviously मेरा 1 million tattoo है, तो ये vlog में ही डालने में मतलब है. And दूसरी चीज is that I'm waiting for my golden play button to come because I want to like unbox it in this video, and it's been showing me that it's coming like any day, but नहीं आ रहा है वो. Like I've been waiting since a week, more than a week actually. Anyway, let's talk about the tattoo. Let's talk about what I can actually get done. So, जब से मैंने मेरा चैनल स्टार्ट किया, मैंने सोचा था कि जब मेरे 1 million सब्सक्राइबर्स होंगे तब मैं एक टैटू कराऊंगी to kind of commemorate that achievement. For the longest time, I thought that I would get this done, like create written somewhere on my body, and I think eventually I will. But abhi it's just feeling like a little overdone. I'm okay with it being overdone because I feel like eventually I will get it done. But for the 1 million tattoo, मैंने इतना सोचा, मैंने इतना दिमाग लगाया, मैंने इतना over complicate भी किया सब कुछ. And by the end of it, guess what I'm getting done? I'm getting the YouTube logo done. Like a very tiny one. I am actually okay with having the YouTube logo on my body forever and ever because YouTube has given me everything that I have in my life, career-wise. So yeah, I don't mind having it. मुझे आदित्य ने बोला, what if the logo changes in a few years? Like, what if they have a rebrand? Which is a possibility, maybe, I don't know. But I'm like, मैंने जब YouTube start किया था, तब ये logo था. And it's the OG YouTube logo. So I'm gonna get it done. We're gonna go right now. Let's go. And guys, I am back with my 7th tattoo. So मैंने यहाँ पे placement सोचा. This is what it looks like. So horizontally, obviously you'll have to see. So जब मैं ऐसे खुद को नीचे देख रही हूँ ऐसे, तो I can see it. अगर मैं किसी को दिखा रही हूँ, थोड़ा सा difficult हो रहा है दिखाना. मैं photos pop कर दूँगी screen पे. But I love how it looks. It's my 7th tattoo, so I've gotten used to it. But ये वाला spot थोड़ा सा सेंसिटिव था और मुझे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा पेन हुआ एज कम्पेयर टू ऑल दी अदर टैटूज दैट आई हैव एक्चुअली गॉटन. बट इट वाज वर्थ इट. आई एक्चुअली रियली लाइक हाउ इट लुक्स. मेरा डोमिनेंट हाथ राइट है, सो मुझे मेरे राइट हैंड पे चाहिए था एंड आई लव इट. लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट्स व्हाट यू थॉट ऑफ इट. And with that, I am actually going to end this very long vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys who have subscribed to my channel. In fact, if you've ever even watched my videos, engaged with it, liked any of my videos, thank you so much. This is something that I have always wanted to do. Ever since I was 11 years old, I have wanted to be a YouTuber, in case you didn't know that. Fun fact about me. And the fact that this is what I do for a living, I am so grateful. It feels like all of my wishes have come true. So thank you so much for joining on this journey. We have a long way to go. I have a lot of things in mind. We're not going to stop at 1 million. Make sure to subscribe to Mridula Aditya as well, because 1 million wahan par bhi karna hai. That's it. Thank you so much. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.